Yes, raise your voice. Raise your voice. Raise your voice. Yes, give him praise. Give him praise upon the tablet of your heart. Yes, raise your voices and begin to bless his name. Yes, Jesus, we just magnify your name. We just magnify your name. If you can, just lift up your hands with a lifting up of our hands as the evening sacrifice, with our heart filled with praise to him. Tonight we just choose to give him praise. Tonight we just choose to give him praise. We give you praise, Jesus. Yes. Oh. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. To see you highly lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. Oh, I want to see you, oh God. Hey, I want to see you, oh God. Hey, tonight, Lord, I want to see you, that I may know you are. I want to see you. Yes, we see you highly lifted up. Yay, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love. Hey, love, pour out your power and love. Hey, Father, you will pour out your power and love. Yes, and I see this, Lord, pour out your power and love. Yes, in our land, oh, pour out your power, your boundless power. Yeah, wonder working power. Yes, pour it out upon the nations of the world. Yes, we need it right now. Pour it out, Lord. Yeah, pour out your power and love. Oh, pour out your power and love. Yes, we want to see your power. Oh, wonder working power, oh God. Yes. Let your power flow. Let it flow. Come on, brother, begin to lift up your voice and begin to prophesy and declare. Even as we worship tonight and pray tonight, begin to declare all over the city of the world, all over Asia, all over Africa, all over America, all over Europe and United Kingdom. Let your power flow. Let your power move. Pour out your power, oh God. Pour out your power, oh God. We want to see your power. We want to see your power, Lord. We want to see your power, Lord. Let it flow, because all power in heaven and on earth, it belongs to you. It belongs to you. Let your power flow. It belongs to you. Yes, Lord, by your power tonight. Yes, you will save. By your power tonight. Yes, you will deliver. By your power tonight. Yes, you will heal. Heal every sickness. Heal every disease. Yes, you will heal every disease. Hey, hey. Karu kalabo. Skete brando liatele. Minali barotele. Come on, begin to blow in the Spirit. Begin to pray in the Spirit. Begin to pray in the Spirit. Begin to pray in the Spirit. Out of our bellies flow the power of God. Flows the divine power of God. For He has given us the power to move mountains. The resurrection power of God dwelleth in us. Yes, Lord, let your power flow. Let your power flow. We release your power tonight. The Rwanda lift up your voice tonight. Hey! Release your authority tonight. The authority has been given to us. Oh, yes. It says, all authority in heaven and on earth has been given unto me, so therefore you go. So the authority lies in our mouth. It lies in our mouth. Why don't you just lift up your right hand tonight and just release that authority. Release that power to calm every raging storm. Hey! To move every mountain. To steal every ocean. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. We sing, holy, holy, holy. Lord, we sing, holy, holy, holy. Holy, 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 holy. We cry, Abba, Abba, Father. We cry, Abba, Abba, Father. Hey, we say, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. Oh, somebody cry, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. cry unto you, say, Jesus. Holy Lord, you are holy. Oh,